times I shake that thing. Oh my god, I'm telling Abuelo. What a waste of panicking.
No, I just washed the top of it. It looks dirty.
Your face is dirty. Why'd you open it again if it was open?
Because it popped in my face. Smell of it.
Chug, 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 chug.
I'll be back.
It's nasty. I should get so.